Hello dear students, welcome to Indian University Studies. In this video we're gonna see Tamil Nadu 2020 10th result has been declared. Now how you have to check that is also important. Most of the students are not aware that when the result will be declared, how they have to check the result, and what is the correct way to check the result, and which is the website which they should prefer to take the result. So in this video I'm gonna tell you that everything related to the Tamil Nadu 2020 10th result and how you have to check it. So you have to step by step follow this video, and meanwhile first of all you need to watch this video completely, and later on you have to model the same thing. Now meanwhile you have to subscribe this channel because this is an exclusive channel which is specifically made for Tamil Nadu board. So what you need to search, that is also important. Most of the students are searching in the wrong way, and that is the reason they ended up on a wrong website. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you have to search in such a way that you will be going to get the correct information what you need. So what you need to do is you have to open your Google browser and you have to search over there Tamil Nadu 2020 10th result, and after that you have to write IAS paper. IAS paper is the exclusive website where you will get everything that is related to Tamil Nadu 2020. Okay, so board examination. So you have to search in the same way. IAS paper is a very important keyword. You have to search. I'm showing you how you have to do. You have to search over here. As soon as you will find, you will see that Tamil Nadu 2020 10th results soon. Okay, now it has been declared. You have to click on IAS paper. You can see IAS paper over here. You have to click on that. As soon as you will be clicking on that, you will be landing on your page. I'm going to make the page 150% zoom so that it will be visible for you. Alright, so here you can check that Tamil Nadu SSLC result has been declared. Tamil Nadu 2020 result has been declared on 10th August through online mode. Tamil Nadu is known for TNBSC, that is TNBSC, Tamil Nadu Board of Secondary Education, which is the body which conducts the examination of 10th and 12th and provides the mark sheet to the student. Meanwhile, you have to submit this form, which is very important. Here you need to write your name, your email address, your contact number, your address, your state. For example, I'm from Tamil Nadu, so I'm writing Tamil Nadu. Wherever you are, you have to write your own. From which place you are. For example, I am from Villupuram. Let's say if you are from a small village, then also you have to write the same. Let's say, for example, I'm from a small village which is very much far away from the city, and we have lack of internet and electricity. Still I try my best to provide you the value and give you the best videos whatever I can, which will be helpful for you. Alright, so meanwhile you got after 10th, what you want to do. For example, you want to go for science, so you have to select on science, and instead of your completed 10th, you have to select 12th. It is very important because 10th is 10th click here the website 10th is not working, so our request you to make sure that you are clicking on 10th. It will be automatically fetch the data that you have landed from Tamil Nadu 10th results, so it will be considered as 10th, but here you need to select 12th. Okay, and get free counseling. From this you will get all the updates from Tamil Nadu 2020 10th result updates, and also you will get updates from the various institutions and colleges and other universities they will be providing admission into 11th. So it is very important for you to make sure that you are filling this application form, which is free of cost. Alright, and here you need to check. Here you can see the dates of the examination, and then all those things and every detail is available over here. So here you can see that Tamil Nadu 10th result has been declared on 10th August 2020, that is today. And here you can check Tamil Nadu 10th result declared, means declared. Tamil Nadu 10th result has been declared on 10th August 2020. Click here to check result. As soon as you will be clicking on here, you will be landing on a new page. And now here you need to do something. Here SSLC, that is the 10th result. Register unit. Here you can check Government of Tamil Nadu Directorate of Government Examinations SSLC examination March 2020. Here you need to write your registration number, whatever you have. Here you need to write your date of birth, whatever date of birth you have, and here you need to whatever your date of birth is, and here you need to click on get details. As soon as you will be clicking on get details, your result will be published in front of you, and you will be able to check your results. First of all, I will tell you everyone that make sure that you are I will tell everyone best of luck, so that you will be more confident, and also that once you will get the result, you need to take the printout of that, or you can take the screenshot. I will be preferring that make sure that you are taking the screenshot, you are downloading the PDF, and you are keeping the raw copy of that PDF in your mobile or your email address, and you can also take the printout of that so that you can use that for the future reference. So in this way you have to check the result of Tamil Nadu board, that is SSLC. If you really think that I have really solved your problem of how to search the result and get the result in the best way, then definitely I will suggest you to make sure that you're subscribing this channel. Also like this video if you have really liked this. Thank you so much for watching.